Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the Geekbench Mark 5 test on the Realme 10 Pro Plus device on the day 1 after unboxing. So this is the day 1 of using the Realme 10 Pro Plus device, and which has got the curved display with the Dimensity 1080 processor. And right now I'm going to do the Geekbench Mark test for the first time in this device, and we'll try to find out what will be the overall scores you can actually expect in this smartphone. And previously I did upload a couple of videos on the benchmark test, and right now the test is going on. And first let's do the test without using any kind of high performance mode. So this is the Realme 10 Pro Plus with a curved display. Without using any high performance mode, I'm trying to do the Geekbench Mark test, and again I'll be back after some time to check the results, and then I'll try to use the high performance mode to see the difference, what's going on. I'll be back after some time. So we got the test scores about single core 842 and the multi-core 2378 on the day 1, and now let's go to the battery and let me try to enable the high performance mode. So which is present here, and now let's do the test again. So I'll try to close and open the application. So now I'm trying to do the test, and now again I'll be back after some time. These are the scores which we got using with the high performance mode. As you can see, single core and the multi-core. I'll be able to show you the history exactly, and right now you should be able to see there is nothing much difference going on even in the Geekbench Mark. Not only in this Geekbench Mark, even in the benchmark test as well, I didn't see any kind of difference with and without a high performance mode. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments what other videos you want me to upload on this device. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.